The M1A2 Abrams tank is renowned for its battlefield dominance with advanced firepower, composite armor, and mobility. Yet its staggering $8 million price tag raises questions. What truly drives this cost? Beyond raw performance, hidden maintenance factors play a pivotal role in its valuation. While the $6 to $8 million purchase price seems high, it represents only 20% of the tank's total lifetime cost. For every hour of operation, the Abrams requires 8 hours of maintenance, a ratio that accumulates millions in labor, fuel, and parts over its 30-year service life. The Abrams gas turbine engine consumes 3 gallons of fuel per mile, 10x more than diesel alternatives. In combat operations, a battalion of 44 tanks can burn through 50,000 gallons daily. This fuel dependency creates massive logistical challenges and recurring costs that dwarf the initial price. Each mile traveled demands extensive upkeep, track replacements every 1,000 miles, engine overhauls at 4,000 hours, and barrel replacements after 1,200 rounds. These intervals mean a single Abrams risks 200+ maintenance hours monthly, equivalent to 5 full-time technicians per tank. Maintaining Abrams tanks requires highly trained specialists. Each crew member undergoes 6+ months of training, while maintenance personnel need years of experience. The Army spends $500,000 per soldier in career training costs, an often overlooked but critical component of the tank's true price. The Abrams uses 10,000+ unique parts, many exclusively manufactured for this platform. A single road wheel costs $4,000, while the advanced thermal sight runs $200,000. These proprietary components create supply chain vulnerabilities and maintenance bottlenecks that further inflate costs. Over its lifespan, one Abrams consumes $20 to $30 million in maintenance, 3 to 5x its purchase price. This includes 500,000+ gallons of fuel, 3 complete engine rebuilds, and 12 track replacements. Such figures force militaries to weigh performance against long-term affordability in procurement decisions. While Russian T-90s cost 1/3 the price to maintain, they sacrifice capabilities like hunter-killer targeting and depleted uranium armor. The Abrams premium reflects not just raw power, but the cost to sustain its technological edge, a trade-off between capability and fiscal sustainability. Next-generation tanks like the Abrams X aim to slash maintenance needs through hybrid electric drives, modular armor, and predictive AI diagnostics. These innovations could cut sustainment costs by 40%, proving that the future of armored warfare depends as much on economics as firepower. The Abrams' value lies not in its $8 million sticker price, but in the $30 million required to keep it battle-ready for decades. This case study proves that for modern military platforms, maintenance costs ultimately determine affordability, a lesson shaping defense budgets worldwide as nations balance capability with fiscal reality.